Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maple Park, or 9 miles southeast of Sycamore, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley View, Elburn, North Aurora, Geneva, Lily Lake, Caneville, Wayne, Aurora, Batavia, St. Charles, Campton Hills, Maple Park, Virgil, Sugar Grove, and West Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA weather.